Which cordless electric lunchbox is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Dupasu Electric Lunchbox. Let's talk about the Dupasu Electric Lunchbox. Priced at $26.99, this one caught my eye with its sleek design and promise of rapid heating. If you want a quick way to enjoy warm meals on the go, this is worth a serious look. The Dupasu features a powerful 100-watt heating capability, meaning you can heat up your meals in just 20-30 minutes. Imagine opening it up at lunchtime and finding your food piping hot, just like it was when you packed it. With a 1.8-liter capacity, it easily holds enough for a hearty meal, and it's designed for using cars, trucks, or at home. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're commuting or working without easy access to a microwave, this lunchbox can really save the day. Now, some people complained about the need to open the exhaust cover before heating. Here's the thing though, once you get into the habit, it's really no hassle at all. It's a small step for the convenience of having hot food wherever you are. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need something reliable for lunchtime. Skip this one if you prefer meals that require more than 1.8-liter capacity. For the price, it's a great value for anyone wanting to keep their meals warm. Now, if the need to open the exhaust cover bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Cozy Expert Electric Lunchbox. We have the Cozy Expert Electric Lunchbox, also at $26.98. This one looks very similar to the Dupasu, but it has its own unique quirks. If you want something stylish and portable, this is definitely worth considering. Just like the Dupasu, it boasts a 100-watt heating system that warms your food in 20-30 minutes. With a generous 1.8-liter capacity and an additional 0.45-liter container for snacks, you can pack a full meal and extras. This is ideal for busy professionals who want to enjoy their meals without the hassle of long waits. The leak-proof design is another bonus, especially if you're commuting. No one wants soup spills in their bag. However, some users have mentioned that the plastic parts feel a bit flimsy. I get it, nobody wants products that feel cheap, but honestly, considering how well it heats and how portable it is, I believe it's still a solid choice for daily use. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish lunchbox that does its job efficiently. Skip this one if you need something ultra durable. For the price, it's a great investment for daily lunches. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer more features.
Product number 3, East Oak Battery-Powered Lunchbox. Let's look at the East Oak Cordless Electric Lunchbox. I'm really impressed by this one, especially with its battery-powered heating. If you want freedom from cords while enjoying hot meals, this is a noteworthy option. This lunchbox holds 5.5 cups, which is about 1.3 liters, and that's ample space for a full meal. It features a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, allowing you to heat your food anywhere, no outlet needed. You can set the smart timer to have your meal ready right when you are. This means that whether you're at work or on a picnic, you can enjoy a hot meal without hassle. The leak-proof design is another feature that many will appreciate, especially if you're packing liquids. However, I have to mention that it's a bit pricier than the previous options, with some users feeling it's not worth the extra cost. Here's the thing though, for the battery life and convenience it offers, I think it justifies the price for those who need it. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself without access to power sources. Skip this one if you want something more budget-friendly. It's a valuable tool for anyone who prioritizes convenience on the go. Now, if the battery power impressed you, wait until you see the next product.
Product number 4, East Oak Rechargeable Heated Lunchbox. Let's check out another East Oak model, the Rechargeable Heated Lunchbox, priced at $69.99. This one really ups the game with its advanced features. If you want a truly intelligent lunchbox, keep listening. This one allows you to set your exact meal time. No more guessing or fiddling with timers. The 59.2 watt-hour battery provides 2 hours of heating, plus an hour of keep warm functionality. You can enjoy a hot meal anywhere without worrying about outlet availability. With a capacity of 5.5 cups and a removable tray divider, it's designed for the organized meal prepper. The digital display is a nice touch, letting you track battery life in real time. However, it is on the pricier side compared to others at $69.99, which may not suit everyone's budget. But honestly, for someone who values convenience and technology, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you love tech-forward solutions that make life easier. Skip this one if you're looking for something more basic without the extra features. It's a premium option worth considering for the tech-savvy meal enthusiast. Alright, that was a high-end choice, but let's see if the next one can compete.
Product number 5, Drafin XL Cordless Electric Lunchbox. We have the Drafin XL Cordless Electric Lunchbox, priced at $62.64. If you need something with a larger capacity, this might just be what you're looking for. With 6.3 cups of space, it's designed for hearty eaters. The 20,000 milliamp rechargeable battery allows for one-time heating and lasting warmth, which is fantastic if you're out all day. It even features a smart timer function that lets you set your local dining time, ensuring your meal is hot right when you need it. The adjustable heating temperatures are a nice addition, helping you customize your meal prep. And let's not forget that leak-proof design to avoid spills. I appreciate that. However, some users found the size a bit cumbersome to carry around. It's definitely larger than most lunchboxes. But if you need the space for bigger meals, I think it's a trade-off worth making. This is perfect for you if you need a larger capacity and want customizable heating options. Skip this one if you prefer something compact and easy to carry. It's a solid value for the features it offers.
So, to wrap things up, we've checked out the Dupasu and Cozy Expert for budget-friendly options, the East Oak models for those needing battery power and smart features, and the Drafin for larger needs. Each has its strengths, so the best choice really depends on your specific lunch habits and lifestyle.